Happy 2021 to each and every one of you. I want to say thank you guys for supporting my channel, bringing me to where I'm at. Big up on a nice clean self. Today we're gonna do an unboxing, and I got the box but I didn't realize what it was, so that's why I opened it. But once I got a peek of what it is, then I was like, okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. So we are both seeing it at the same time. Ouch. Here it is. I've always wanted a pink drill. I love these kinds of things. This is so cute. You can get it at Home Depot. Isn't this nice? So let's look at it together. I'm so excited. Let's see. I hope you guys can see. Let me pull that out of the way. Okay, so it comes. Alrighty. Comes with a nice little kit. Oh, this is so cute. Guys, can you see? How do you open this? Oh, shoot. Oh, it has a, see, it has something right here, so it can't open, but these are the extra bits. That's what you call it, Ali? Bits, right? These are the extra bits that came with the package. And let's look at the, what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the extension cord. And what else? And the manual. And for the grand finale, oh, what's this? Contact information. And for the grand finale, oh my god, this is the cutest little weapon. It has a charger on here. I think you can charge this up and it becomes wireless. It's a what voltage is it? It's a 10 volt. It's a 10 volt, so I really like it. The quality, it looks good. It's not as heavy. It has some weight to it, but it's not as heavy. I have to learn how to use this, learn how to put the bits in and make sure it's locked, because you know that is a form of safety. And this thing on here, what is this for? This is like to turn it up or turn it down. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. I love this. Ah! Look. I know, right? Ah! See, I didn't even know how that.
It come charge.
It came, yeah. So this thing is to lock it, like turn it on, or if you put it in the middle, it's locked. But if you push it, so it goes either way.
When
so
you turn it on and you want to lock, you push down that.
In the middle. Yeah. See, it's locked.
Turn it on. Turn on the chill.
Yeah.
Push it down now. Turn on the chill. Turn on the chill and push it down.
I can't push it down.
Can't push it down?
No. Like, it's to turn it off so it won't go, and then that's to turn it that way, turn it the other way.
But sometimes you don't want to keep squeezing the chill down.
Oh. So this is what, to turn it up like? This is like the speed or something?
One of the reverse.
Yeah, this is to reverse or forward. See? Thank you guys for watching. It's just a quick video showing you my fancy little drill. There it is. It comes with this, the drill, and the charger. And the charger, it can be wireless. This right here is to turn the speed up. So the more you put it up, the higher it goes. No, the less you put it, the higher it goes. I don't even know. Honest to God. Albury.
Hey, sister, you need to figure it out. And you say you want to open it and say, give what kind of something you give.
Unboxing.
Can I give them unboxing information and I give them for
Why? Honestly, me not even edit this. I see me I put it up on here. Albury say me can't give out false information, which is true. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. I had to get my own drill because I borrowed Albury drill and Albury just gave me the drill and said, figure it out. And I'm like,
this is a different speed.
but does it look like it's going faster when you change the speed?
See?
Oh, it goes slower. Thank you guys again for watching. Just in case you would like this drill, I would link it below. Or you can just go on the Home Depot website. And that's where I got it. Thank you guys.